Hi, my name is Rocio, and I am the director of Ronival Property Management. At Ronival, we believe every property deserves exceptional care and strategic management. Our mission is to ensure that each home we manage is protected, beautifully maintained, and consistently generating value for its owner. Property management. Our property management team is the foundation of everything we do. They oversee all the operations, maintenance, cleaning, inspections, and detailed owner reports. What we offer is more than service, it's confidence and peace of mind. Our clients know their investment is managed with professionalism and care, even when they are far away. Ronival Vacations. Through Ronival Vacations, we transform each property into a unique guest experience. We manage reservations, guest communication, and every check-in and check-out, with hospitality that meets the highest standards. The result? Loyal guests, excellent reviews, and consistent income for our owners. Project management. Our project department protects and enhances each property's long-term value. From preventive maintenance to complete remodels, every project is managed with precision, transparency, and attention to detail. We make sure each improvement reflects the quality and elegance our clients expect. Accounting department. Transparency and trust define our accounting department. They manage statements, vendor payments, and detailed financial reports, so every owner understands the property performance at all times. Marketing department. And finally, our marketing team makes sure every property shines. Through digital campaigns, social media, and top quality photography, they create visibility and attract the right guests. That means more bookings, more exposure, and better results for our clients. At Ronival, all of our departments work together to deliver a seamless, full-service experience that goes beyond traditional property management. We protect, promote, and elevate every property, guided by excellence, integrity, and a deep commitment to our clients, because every property deserves someone you can trust.